Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need Xcode on your Mac and a developer-enabled iPhone. Once connected, trust the computer on the phone. Start Xcode, open the project, and set the build target to your device. Make sure your Apple ID appears in signing. Select your team so provisioning is configured. If prompted, allow automatic signing. This saves time. Once done, confirm the scheme is your app and that the device shows in the Run menu before moving to Build and Run. You press Run and Xcode compiles the app for your iPhone. Follow the build log to identify compilation warnings or errors. When installed, the app launches and you can attach the debugger. Set breakpoints to inspect variables and step through code. Use the View debugger to examine UI layout and the console for runtime logs. If cable is inconvenient, enable wireless debugging in devices and simulators. Make sure both Mac and iPhone are on the same network and paired before relying on wireless deploys. You now verify app behavior, test permissions, background execution, and real sensors. For distribution, create an archive and validate signing to prepare for test flight or App Store upload. Make sure provisioning profiles match your bundle ID and team. If installation fails or Xcode reports a code signing error, restart both devices first, reset the trust relationship on the phone, and recheck your provisioning profiles and certificate status in Apple Developer. One key tip: clearing derived data often resolves strange build or symbol issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.